NQ was beautiful today. I think it was free. Honestly, the move for the whole day was shorts. I mean, market displaced a lot. We rebalanced, and now we're like PM session dumped a little bit, but just very clear price action. And I got my piece of the pie, which is the most important thing. All you need is just a small little piece of the pie. You don't need to catch the whole move. Just catch you a little 30 pointer, 40 pointer, something. And I see a lot of people trying force trades. I'm gonna drop a psychology video soon, but this is like exactly what you need. You need a piece of the pie. You need to stop being greedy, trying to catch the whole move. But I'm gonna run through this trade for you guys. So coming into market open, we had this huge 1 hour imbalance that I wanted to see us respect. So market open around here. I just wanted to see us sweep London, Asia, a lot of sell side, a lot of equal lows, a lot of. So yeah, we swept this, we swept Asia low, we swept this nice sell side, and I just want to see us fill those imbalances right here on the 5 minute. This one specifically and this one, and reach the like dig through the hourly imbalance. That's what I wanted to see. Just dig through and try to like cover up as much of the imbalance as possible. And after we reached the CE of this hourly gap, that's when I had like a those trading view I was just being like super patient. You don't want to get manipulated throughout this chop right here. That's something that you don't want to do. You don't want to catch that. You don't want to get caught inside this manipulation. So yeah, we reached the CE of this gap. A lot of people I know took longs right here, but as I usually say to my friends, no inverse, no trade. No inversion for value gap. There's no trade. Wait for the inversion to show up and then take your trade according to your other confluences. So yeah, I was just waiting. Right when we displaced up here and then we dumped, we swept this internal low and we created this bullish SMT. So resweep, internal liquidity, another sweep of internal liquidity. Why is this marked out as an SMT? What? So yeah, we sweep liquidity both times, and then now I'm just waiting for my inversion. My inversion showed up, and I took it right here. I was in a little bit of drawdown for like a little bit, but then so I'm gonna show you guys how I like scaled out my contracts. So I set my break even. I set my stop at break even at this internal high. I entered off 1 mini or 10 micros, and I made $1,000 or like 970 something to be exact, and we swept this internal high, moved my stop to break even. I always like moving my stop to break even once I get a 1-to-1 or just at the closest internal high. Those trades are honestly the best for me. So this trade either goes to my break even or goes to my TP. I don't like widgeting a lot, like moving my stop, all this bullshit. Either my TP or my break even. Don't get too emotional. You can't get too emotional in trading. You just have to let shit play out, and you just have to control yourself, if you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, IFVG, CISD, money sweep, SMT on the lows, and yeah, I scaled out 3 micros around here, and I let the trade go to my TP, which was this unfilled 1 minute gap. I was honestly wanted this trade to run until this internal high, which looked beautiful, but I just caught my piece of the pie. I didn't want to run this straight through here. It was just looked like a, and I feel like the volume was dying a little bit, but yeah, I mean, this unfilled gap looked nice. This internal high also looked nice, but yeah, it was just a beautiful move. And then after that, market created this. I think this is a market maker sell model. I mean, we just dumped a lot. And we did have this rejection block that I know some people took. I think it was like around, I don't know where it's around, but yeah, This was a textbook setup, IFVG, hourly gap, SMT, money sweep, both 2 times, CISD targeting on-field gap. And yeah, this was honestly a beautiful trade. I'm gonna be dropping some psychology videos soon, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe, do whatever the fuck you want to do. And yeah,